Hello everyone, today we have a 2016 supercharged Z06. Super clean engine. See, it has carbon fiber across the front. LED headlights. I love the red brake calipers you got here. Absolutely gorgeous on the black wheels. The Z06 venting is really cool. It does also have a carbon fiber roof. Carbon fiber is ridiculously strong. Pop the hood. Excuse me, I just popped the trunk. Go ahead and put it down. It's an absolutely gorgeous car. So with that, I will take you for a tour of the interior. These handles you reach inside to operate. There's a latch right there. Also your VIN. Corvette branding right there. It does have the Bose sound system. There are driver presets. Again, carbon fiber on the dash and on the steering wheel. Seat controls, carbon fiber again in the racing seats. And this car, as you get in, it just wraps around you. I'll go ahead and turn this down. Okay, let's also turn down the climate. All right, you see that we have 8,733 miles on this vehicle. If you look up here, it's a little bit difficult to see in the video, so I'll move this around. But you do have the heads-up display. There we go, it's a little bit easier to see right there. Okay. You also have your push to talk and your stereo controls and such. Everything can be controlled from your steering wheel. This car is about the experience of the American sports car. Okay, right here you have your push button start. You also have your screen up and down. Okay, right here you've got your radio. You see that you have AM, FM, and Sirius XM. Then you're going to have your navigation and your backup camera. Then you have your vented and heated seats and your other climate controls. Come down here, you have your shifter, your mode selection, your park brake, cup holders, and your additional power supply. And you have additional power supplies right here in the glove box. This vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact in the front. It turned out to only be cosmetic damage, so we were able to get it all fixed up. It has passed our 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.